Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create posters using the Canva app. But first of all, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open Canva, then go to the print products section. And here you have different sections: popular, marketing, gifts, stationery, clothing, and cards and invites. Now go to marketing, and the first one is going to be the poster option, which is a 42 by 59 centimeter poster, which is the general size of a poster. And when you open it, it's going to have the exact size and ratio for a poster. And here you can either go and choose photos from the Canva library, or you can upload yours if you want to design it for yourself. But if you want to use a professional template that Canva offers, these are all made by professional designers. You can just choose one of these templates and then customize it to your needs. As you can see, I can change any text element that they included for my own. I can add my own logos. You can change these design elements. You can move them around. So in customization, the sky is the limit. As you can see, there are many different topics for posters, and you can also use the search bar to search for a specific industry or anything to create your own posters. And as you can see, I can change the background color. You can change the color of these design elements if you want. So really, it's very easy, and you can get a professional result from this. There are included like these line arts that you can create posters for yourself or to promote your business, or really anything. And all these designs are copyright free, so you can use them in commercial work as well. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing because that would be really helpful for me. See you in the next one.